picture this? Can you picture this?
Greetings, YouTube. I'm Lion Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden channel. Today is indeed Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. And in today's video, YouTube, we're going to be planting two things in our front yard garden extended grow area. One of those things we will indeed be planting over at Little Creek Homestead. That's right, we came through. We harvested our sweet Vidalia onions from over there at Little Creek Homestead. We didn't bring you guys that video, but we will show you guys a couple of photos at the end of this video of our sweet Vidalia onions that we harvested from over there. The other thing that we're going to be planting in our garden, YouTube, we're going to be planting that particular thing over here in our front yard garden, where last year in our 2-foot by 4-foot raised Hugo Culture garden planter, we planted big boy tomatoes last year. We removed that planter. We had about a 3-foot by 6-foot section of unused space there after we removed that planter. So we thought we would try something different over there in that area this year. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys and show you what we did over there in that spot and show you what we're going to plant in that spot as well. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here we are indeed at the spot where we planted our big boy tomato plants last season. They did tremendously well. We had a 2-foot by 4-foot Hugo Culture garden planter, raised bed planter built here in this location. We removed that planter. We really didn't expect for that planter to last more than one season due to the materials that we built it out of. It lasted about one season, did its job. We removed it. And here's what we've done with the location that we had that planter in last year. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Again, we have about a 3-foot by 6-foot unused section of our front yard garden extended grow area. Remove that old planter that was beginning to rot here in this location. We leveled that soil off. We came back and we placed an equal size piece of cardboard here in that planter. We did that to keep any seeds or any grass, any weed seeds or anything from growing up through the soil in this planter once we actually plant what we're about to plant here. We're about to run to our favorite garden center here in Tifton, Georgia, Grow Zone 8B. Grab about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bags of our favorite garden soil, however many bags we think that it takes to fill this 3-foot by 6-foot in-ground raised bed. Is there anything as an in-ground raised bed garden planter? If so, that's what this is, YouTube. Anyway, we're going to grab enough soil to fill this planter up with, and we're going to come back, we're going to plant pumpkins in this partially shaded 3-foot by 6-foot garden planter right here in our front yard garden extended grow area, right next to Sweet Baby Red and Queen Annie's place. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, indeed, just like that, we're back. We did indeed grab 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bags of that Miracle Grow garden soil. We're going to grab that garden soil, take it over there to our newly constructed in-ground garden planter, get it filled, and come back and plant our pumpkin seeds. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we're back. And the audio was about to be really, really shoddy in this next clip. But we're about to get this bed filled, and we thought we would give you guys an up-close view at what's going on. Again, not sure if you guys can see that, but our favorite brand of garden soil, that Miracle Grow in-ground garden soil. We're anticipating taking at least 5, maybe 6 bags of this soil. But again, I think we got a total of 10 in all, so we should have plenty soil to fill our planter with here. respect you guys for bearing along with me. I know you guys can't really see me in this clip, but I want to try to get this done as swiftly and as efficiently as possible. Try to make it as not boring as I possibly can. This is indeed bag number 4. Not sure if you guys have been counting. Bag number 5. I'm going to spread this 5th bag out along with all the rest. See what our soil level is, YouTube. And if indeed we need to add more soil, we will. I'm going to get those larger chunks broken up. I think we will indeed, YouTube, add one more bag of soil here to bring our soil level up to where we want it at in this planter. We'll come back and work this soil in really well and get all those larger chunks broken up. And we'll bring you guys back and show you what it looks like at that time. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, indeed, here we are back at our 3-foot by 6-foot in-ground garden planter that we've, in fact, indeed decided to name the pumpkin patch. And here is what the garden soil currently looks like at the pumpkin patch. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Indeed, YouTube, we did fill our 3-foot by 6-foot in-ground garden planter with approximately 7 bags of 0.75 cubic foot bags of Miracle Grow garden soil for in-ground use. And at this moment, we're going to come back and plant our Fairy Morse Big Max pumpkin seeds. We're going to space these seeds out of this planter. We're going to make 2 rows from left to right. We're going to space these seeds out approximately 6 inches apart. We should be able to theoretically squeeze about 12 hills of pumpkins in this particular planter here. We're going to go ahead and make the holes. Come back and show you what those holes look like. Drop our pumpkin seeds in. Give them a light coating of soil. Water them in. And show you what it all looks like. Hang tight, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, we're back. We were indeed able to squeeze 7 holes into each one of our rows going down. We're going to come back now and drop 2 seeds in each one of these holes. We're going to give those seeds a light dusting of soil. Come back, water those seeds in, and we'll show you guys exactly what it looks like once we have it watered in. These seeds are indeed quite large. Our holes are approximately a ½ an inch deep. Again, we're going to squeeze 2 of these seeds in each hole. Excuse my shoddy camera work, YouTube. It's the only thing about being out in the garden by yourself. It's very hard to get accurate camera shots and exactly what you have going on. deep. Please, please, YouTube, excuse my shoddy camera work in this video and also the shoddy audio. But again, I don't have anyone out here in the garden with me. Hoping you guys can see what I'm doing here. I only have one left, so I'm going to put one in that last hole over there. Again, our holes are about a ½ inch deep. And press our seeds into down in those holes well. Give them indeed a light coating of soil, as we do with virtually every type of seed we plant here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. We don't give them a heavy coating of soil when we plant our seeds. We tend to plant everything in between a ¼ inch and a ½ inch deep. And we always seem to get pretty decent germination here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. So here we are, all of our seeds planted. Give them all a light dusting of soil. So we're going to come back now, YouTube, water our seeds in good. We will indeed bring you guys back at the first sign of seed germination here at the pumpkin patch in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you are currently watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Yeah. Growing Fairy Morse, Big Macs, pumpkins in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, YouTube.